Hello, bachcho. Today we will explore Grade 2's chapter number 1, Shapes Wonderland. Let's recall the flat shapes that we have learned so far. This is a square. This is a triangle. This is a circle. This is a rectangle. This is an oval. You know what? These shapes are also known as 2D shapes. Now let's take an example of a square. Okay, this is a side of the square. Okay, the line that forms the plane figure is called the side. Okay, and this is the corner of the square. Why? Because here two lines, or you can say two sides, are meeting. Okay, so now let's identify whether the marked part of the shapes is a side or a corner. Come on, identify with me. Let's start with this. Okay. So, is this a side or a corner? This is a corner. Correct. Is this a side or a corner? This is a side. Now, let's come to rectangle. Is this a corner or a side? This is a corner. That's correct. And what about this figure? Is this a side or a corner of this figure? This is the side. Well done. You did a great job. Now, can you tell me this chessboard is of which shape? Is it square or something else? Yeah, square, right? Correct. So, now let's see how many sides are there in the square. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now count the corners. Let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. This is a rectangular photo frame. It also has 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay, you can pause the video and count it. Done? Let's move forward then. Now try this. You have to identify the shape of the signboard and also the sides and corners of it. Can you do it? Yes, the shape of the signboard is a triangle. The sides are 3 and so are the corners. Well done. How about this shape? This is circular, right? Can you identify sides and corners of a circle? Yes? Well done. You got it right. It has 0 sides and 0 corners. This is a trampoline. Have you ever seen it? Yes? Yeah. So, which shape is it? It is oval in shape. Correct. It also has 0 sides and 0 corners. Yeah? Now look at the screen. I have laid down the number of sides and corners of all the 2D shapes together. You can pause the video and revise. Now let's do a fun activity. I'll tell you to count the figures. Let's come to this figure first. Can you count the number of triangles here? Yes? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, correct. So there are 3 triangles in this figure. Now let's count the number of squares here in this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this big one, 5. Yeah? How many squares are there in this figure? 5. Do not forget this big square, okay? Right? So I'm leaving you with a task now. You have to count the number of triangles in this figure. Till then, have fun while you learn.